Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today we're exploring the legendary Honda VFR750R, also known as the RC30. Built as a homologation special for racing, this motorcycle remains one of Honda's most iconic and collectible superbikes. Engine and performance. The Honda VFR750R is powered by a 748 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine that produces around 112 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox, it delivers impressive acceleration, a thrilling exhaust note, and exceptional high-speed performance. Design and features. The RC30 features a lightweight aluminum frame, single-sided swing arm, gear-driven camshafts, and fully adjustable suspension. Its aerodynamic bodywork and race-inspired styling still look timeless decades after its debut. Handling and riding experience. Renowned for its balanced handling and precise cornering, the VFR750R offers outstanding stability and rider confidence. Whether on winding roads or the racetrack, it delivers a truly engaging riding experience. Conclusion. The Honda VFR750R is more than just a motorcycle, it's a piece of racing history. Its rare design, outstanding engineering, and legendary performance make it a dream bike for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Thanks for watching King Bike. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing motorcycle content.